Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? Well, you're not alone. Millions around the world are turning to the internet as a means of generating income, and for good reason. The world of online earning is vast and ever-expanding, presenting opportunities for those who seek a flexible, accessible, and potentially limitless way to earn a living. It's a departure from the traditional 9-to-5 job, offering freedom to work from anywhere, at any time, and on your own terms. In the realm of online earning, the world becomes your workplace. Geography is no longer a barrier. You can collaborate with clients or customers from all corners of the globe, right from the comfort of your own home. This global reach is just one of the many advantages that make online earning an attractive prospect for many. But what exactly does online earning entail? Well, it's not just one thing. There's a myriad of avenues you can explore. Freelancing, for instance, allows you to offer your skills and services directly to clients. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or a consultant, there's a market for you. Then there's blogging, a creative outlet that can also be a lucrative business. By creating content that resonates with a specific audience, you can attract advertisers and sponsorships, or even make money from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, another popular online earning method, involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission in return. Or perhaps you're an educator at heart. Online tutoring is a thriving industry, with people seeking knowledge and skills in countless subjects. And let's not forget selling products. From handmade crafts to digital products like ebooks or courses, there's a platform out there for whatever you wish to sell. The potential of online earning is truly boundless. It's a dynamic landscape that's constantly evolving, offering new opportunities for those willing to seize them. With the right skills and dedication, anyone can start earning online. So why not consider diving into this exciting world? The journey to online earning might just be the path you've been waiting to embark on. With the right skills and dedication, anyone can start earning online. Before jumping in, it's crucial to set realistic goals. Why, you ask? Well, online earning, like any other venture, requires a solid strategy and patient execution. Picture it like a seed you plant. It won't sprout overnight, right? It needs time, care, and nurturing. Similarly, your online earning endeavor needs time to build and grow. Setting achievable goals helps to keep your motivation high and your progress measurable. Start small. Maybe it's earning your first $100 or gaining your first 10 clients. And remember, it's okay to start part-time. In fact, it's advisable. This gives you the opportunity to learn the ropes, understand the market, and establish your presence without the pressure of immediate full-time commitment. As you gain confidence and your online venture begins to take root, you can consider transitioning into full-time. But remember, patience is key. Success won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and patience, it will come. Choosing the right platform is the key to your online earning success. And that's not an overstatement. The digital world is teeming with platforms that can help you kickstart or even scale your online earning journey. But the trick lies in picking the one that best aligns with your skills and interests. Let's begin with freelance platforms. These are virtual marketplaces that connect service providers with clients. If you're a graphic designer, a writer, a social media specialist, or a coder, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer can be your ticket to a steady income stream. They offer a wide array of job categories and allow you to showcase your skills to a global audience. Then there's the world of e-commerce. If you've got products to sell, platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy can be your virtual storefronts. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or even your own line of products, these platforms cater to millions of customers every day, offering a vast market for your goods. Are you a wordsmith with a knack for captivating readers? Blogging platforms could be your stage. Platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Medium allow you to share your thoughts, ideas, or expertise with the world. And with the right strategies, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. And let's not forget the educators among us. Online tutoring platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy offer a space where you can share your knowledge, whether it's in mathematics, history, coding, or meditation. You can create courses and earn every time a student enrolls. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to choosing an online platform. It's about finding the one that complements your skills, aligns with your interests, and offers the best opportunities for growth. Take the time to research, explore different platforms, and understand their nuances. The right platform will provide you with the right audience and opportunities. So, choose wisely and set yourself up for online earning success. Having a strong online presence is essential in the world of online earning. Picture this: the digital world as a bustling city. In this city, your online presence is your storefront, your business card, and your first impression all rolled into one. It's the billboard that tells people who you are, what you do, and why they should choose you over countless others. So how do you ensure that your billboard is as impressive as it can be? Firstly, you'll want to create a compelling profile or portfolio. This is your chance to showcase your skills, experience, and unique selling points. This isn't the time to be modest. Highlight your accomplishments, your expertise, and your passion for what you do. Remember, it's your job to convince potential clients or employers that you're the best fit for their needs. Next, consider the power of networking. In the digital world, this can be as simple as engaging with others on social media, joining relevant groups or forums, or collaborating with like-minded individuals. Networking allows you to connect with potential clients, learn from industry leaders, and even find mentors. It's about building relationships and growing your sphere of influence. Lastly, let's talk about maintaining a professional online reputation. In today's world, a quick Google search can reveal a lot about a person. Make sure that what's out there reflects you in a positive light. This means behaving professionally online, responding to feedback constructively, and managing any negative reviews or comments effectively. These elements, an impressive profile, active networking, and a professional reputation, work together to create a strong online presence. This presence can help you attract more work opportunities, establish yourself as a leader in your field, and ultimately, generate more income. A strong online presence can make you stand out from the crowd and attract more lucrative opportunities. So, take the time to build yours. It's an investment that can pay off in spades. In the rapidly evolving online world, continuous learning is a must. When it comes to earning online, your skills are your assets. They're your tools in the vast digital workspace, and like any good craftsman, you need to keep your tools sharp. Be it web designing, content creation, digital marketing, or any other skill, you should always strive to learn more and improve. Now you might ask, where do I start? There are numerous online resources available for learning and professional development. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wide range of courses to help you hone your skills. Podcasts and webinars are yet another fantastic way to stay updated with industry trends. Remember, in the online world, there's always something new to learn, a new trend to follow, a new skill to acquire. So keep that curiosity alive. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep earning. So, are you ready to dive into the world of online earning? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed today. We started by exploring the potential of online earning. We've seen how this realm offers unlimited opportunities for individuals like you to generate income. The digital space is vast and ever-expanding, and so are the possibilities for financial growth. Next, we emphasize the importance of setting realistic goals. Always remember, achieving success online isn't about making quick bucks overnight, it's a journey. And like any journey, it requires planning and a clear direction. Set achievable targets for yourself, and celebrate those small victories along the way. Every step forward is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Then, we ventured into the process of choosing the right online platform. This step is crucial in your journey. Remember, not all platforms are created equal. Some may suit your skills and interests better than others. It's about finding the platform that aligns with your capabilities and can help you showcase your talents effectively. Onward, we discussed building a strong online presence. In the digital world, your online persona is your identity. It's how you present yourself to potential clients or customers. From your profile to your portfolio, every element should speak volumes about your professionalism and dedication. And lastly, we touched on the importance of continuous learning and improving your skills. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and to stay relevant, you must keep up with the pace. Learn new skills, keep improving, and always strive to offer the best services or products to your customers. With these steps in mind, you're well on your way to start earning money online. Remember, the journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Embrace the challenges, learn from your failures, and never stop striving for success. After all, in the world of online earning, the sky truly is the limit.